Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I'm excited to let you know that Madison REIA has asked me to do a very special workshop on Saturday, June the 19th from 9 to 1, and it will blow you away. This thing is going to rock. What I'm going to teach you is my new path to wealth. It is where you get a potential private lender and figure out how to get them down to the closing table. What I'm going to do is give you that information step by step by step on what to do, what not to do, when to do it, and it will blow you away how easy it is to get private money just by following that path. Also, I'm going to share with you the legal stuff for your state. Now, I can teach it. I'm not an attorney. I'm not providing the legal advice at all, but I can teach it, like I said. So you want to be there for that because there is nobody else on planet Earth that is able to teach that in every single state. And you will love what you learn. And you'll find out how easy it is to follow the rules. I'm going to show you a very special program on how to buy 5 to 7 houses a month and with zero marketing costs and very little work, very little work. And this thing here is all based on the fact of having private money, obviously. Now, if you're in commercial, about 35 to 40% of my student base does commercial stuff. So you're going to learn a ton also. And you need private money to do those big deals. Now, how you have your real estate funding out of order, I'm going to talk about that a little bit. The pot of gold that I found in getting private money. When I hit that, I had so much money I couldn't spend it all. I had to hire a guy to come and spend my money by buying properties. You'll love that. You need to know that secret. And I'll show you a little bit about how I got started, but I'm going to give you so much more than I got time to talk to you about right now. It's Saturday, June 19th, 9 to 1. Madison REIA is where you can go on out and sign up. So you need to get out there and do that. Well, to your wealth.